you chose to give me the hamper. I mean, because it's Galentine's Day.
Correct, it is Galentine's Day, but I have a lot of gals.
All right.
So...
You could have just said it. You could have just said it to humour me.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be building our Galentine's hamper with all the amazing things that we stock at Boots, so come and take a look at what we put inside.
So we've got 2 small baskets, one each. We're going to take it in turns to pick out Boots products and fill up our Galentine's hampers.
And we've got quite a lot to go through, so I think we should get started.
Okey-dokey.
Let's go. It's big.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Do you want to go first?
No, I will let you go first because it's Galentine's Day.
Okay, I'm not gonna look.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh, yeah, I've seen these. Okay, I'm gonna really struggle to say this. Jenabelle PDRN Rejuvenating Mask dramatically improves skin elasticity and firmness. So this would be good for like a Galentine's pamper night.
They're perfect because when it comes in a set, you can get about 4 in there. So it's kind of a gift for everybody. That's why I like making things like this, because you can enjoy it all together. So you're going to give it to your Galentine, but I'm actually benefiting from it as well.
To your Galentine, me. Okay, I'm going to put it in my basket and we can use it tonight.
Love that. My turn. Oh, some wispy eyelashes. Now these are perfect for when you're making some cocktails at home with the girls. You can feel like you're going out, but you're being low maintenance, but high maintenance at the same time. And you're also saving money by not getting your lash extensions done. So these are a win-win.
Okay. Oh, Good Intent. We like Good Intent.
We do.
So this is the Good Intent Silky Jelly Lip Mask. Do you put this on before you go to bed?
I do.
Okay, I love that because then you can have like a pamper night and do your... Mine's very skincare at the moment. So you can do your face mask and then your lip mask. I'm definitely going to add this one to my basket.
I'm going to give it a big... Ooh! So we are going for a proper beauty pamper. So I've got some Glamnetic stick-on, press-on nails, and these have got little pearls on.
They're kind of like the ones that you have. I could match.
They are so cute.
If you chose to give me the hamper, I mean, because it's Galentine's Day.
Correct, it is Galentine's Day, but I have a lot of gals.
All right.
So...
Okay, you could have just said it. You could have just said it to humour me.
They're really nice that if you've forgot to get your nails done, you can stick them on, feel like you've got your life put together. So that with my eyelashes.
Yeah. Yours is very beauty at the moment, mine's very skincare. I like this. I wonder if we're going to go in the same direction. I'm hoping this is what I think it is. It is.
Ooh.
Okay, so the thought process behind this, if you're being a little bit more generous and you wanted to give a fragrance, you know how you give people chocolate on Valentine's Day? Well, why not give a chocolate-shaped fragrance instead?
Can we give it a smell, please?
Yeah, I've actually not smelled this before. So this is the Sweet Tooth by Sabrina Carpenter. I love Sabrina Carpenter.
Wow.
So cute.
Good enough to eat.
Oh, good enough to eat. So cute. Should we smell it?
Yes,
Have you
please.
smelled this before?
I don't think I have, but I've heard very good things.
Okay.
Ooh, very sweet.
Ooh.
Vanilla-y. Ooh. That is really nice.
I love that. What is it?
Caramel. Sweet
Yeah.
and sophisticated.
Do you know why I love that?
Ooh.
It smells like my coffee.
And you
'Cause
do like your coffee.
I do like my coffee. Well, I like my sugar with a bit of coffee in it.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that is really nice and sweet. That is nice.
I really like that. I'll put it in my hamper for you and we can share it. I really, really like that.
Oh,
Oh,
the
lovely.
Vanilla Boots Lip Sleep Mask. Now we've both got a lip product in here.
Yeah.
This one is unreal, and I know we've just smelt the vanilla, and this is going to add to my vanilla basket. But this is perfect. It literally does say what it does on the tin. Nourishes and hydrates the lips overnight. I can't wait to use that.
I love that.
I
It's
love the
giving
berry
sweet.
one.
Yeah, it's all very sweet. I love that.
Yes.
Because you know when you give like sweet things like chocolates and roses and...
It is a really good addition if you're on a budget. I believe it's under £3.
Yeah.
So that is a staple. Very happy for that. Treating you.
There's more Boots brand things in here because that's really good value. And you know when you're building a big hamper, you want to fill it with lots of little things, but you don't want to spend too much money. So let me see if I can pick something else out. What is this?
Oh,
Yeah,
an
we love
office Staple.
Yeah, we love a forest feast in our office. These are the berries and cherries.
And look at it, it's pink.
Very on trend for Valentine's and Galentine's Day. So I'm gonna pop this in the basket.
The perfect 3 p.m. sweet treat.
Oh yeah, I love it. Just gets you through the day, you know.
It does. Well, this is a bit fun.
Oh, cute.
This is actually new and trending.
And sparkly.
And sparkly and lovely. Wow. This is the Jelly Days Whippy Jelly Soap in Blissful Vanilla. There's a lot of vanilla going on. It's the scent of the season, clearly. I see a lot of hype about Days on TikTok. It's like the new it product, so.
Yeah. Have you seen the little body sprays?
Yes.
They're so cute and they're so affordable, so perfect.
Yeah, this again is affordable, so perfect to add into our hamper.
Lovely.
Haha.
What is it? Liv's very excited about this one. She's getting a bit giddy.
No, it's because I've not tried that flavour yet.
Jelly Pop Lip Sleep Mask.
I've not tried this yet, but it's been on my list to try.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's exciting then. And it's going in your basket. So it's the same as the vanilla one, but it's a new flavour. Amazing. Okay, fab. I'm going to pop this in.
I'm giving it a proper rummage.
Oh, classic.
Forest Feast Cookies and Cream Almonds. So now we've got the berries and cherries and the almonds, and it's pink.
I've not had those ones yet. Okay, what's this? Oh, cute.
Very cute.
Very vanilla peptide lip butter balm.
And look, it comes with a charm.
Stop, the balm with the charm. So cute. So that's Days again, isn't it?
Yes.
I love that.
They're supposed to be really, really good. Adorable.
Oh, cute.
Adorable. So I don't know if you want me to say this, but I'm going to say it anyway. Lydia is getting married on Valentine's Day.
I am.
Which is so exciting. And this can be your something blue.
It can in the morning when I'm doing my makeup.
And you can think of me.
Yeah.
Your Valentine
cute.
on your Valentine.
I am getting married on Valentine's Day and that's so sweet. I don't have a something blue yet.
Well, there you go.
I was just going to hope it was really cold so I'll just go stand outside. But this will be better.
That's perfect.
Better for everyone involved.
Oh,
I love
that's
that.
my favourite thing so far.
I do love the Boots accessories range. I think it's really cute and really sleek.
It's so affordable, but
it is,
like
oh, fun. These go with our pajamas.
they do.
Okay, so Glamnetic press-on nails, short and round. These are very classy, very chic. I like these for Valentine's Day, and they go with our pajamas as well.
They do, and
So
I
that's
think
fun.
they're the colour of Valentine's perfectly.
Yeah.
Like they'll tie with everything. They're perfect for your date night or your night in.
Yeah, I love that, and these are really easy to put on as well, so that's amazing. A pamper night is ahead of us. I can feel it in my bones.
It's desperate.
Oh, I love this brand.
To go with your hair accessory, you've got a new brush, and look, it's got floral prints on it.
I love that.
And it's really good for smoothing your hair. So, you know, I don't know if you deal with frizz, but I sometimes deal with frizz. And this is really, really good for smoothing it all out and making it shiny at the same time. And there's nothing better than a new hairbrush because I don't know about you. I don't clean mine.
You're meant to wash your hairbrushes, but I don't do it.
I don't.
I'm going to say as much as I should, I don't do it at all.
I've never done it.
But I've got their comb and it's really cute and it's really, really good.
So you can add it to the collection.
Yeah, and they do look really, like, I know that it's meant to help brush your hair, but it does look really nice on my dressing table as well, so that's exciting.
Exciting. So
Okay,
that
cool.
can go. I've not tried this yet.
What is it?
The One Size Setting Spray.
Ooh, Until Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray.
Perfect for when we're watching The Notebook.
I love it. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I love the colour of it as well. Yeah, I've not seen this, but is it meant to be really good?
It's supposed to be amazing, and it's perfect for fitting in your handbag as well.
Yeah, I love a little compact thing to pop in your handbag. So that's waterproof, transfer proof, and smudge proof. Love that for all of your on Valentine's Day. Do not put that in. Do not put that in.
There's one last thing, and I know exactly what it is by feeling it
Do
because
you?
I use these all the time. The Biodance Collagen Real Deep Masks. Now, these are perfect. They are on the slightly pricier side. However, you get 4 in here, so they're perfect for your Valentine's evening because although they're being gifted to you, you can gift them out as well.
Yeah.
And everybody loves a face mask. I don't know anybody who doesn't feel better when you put one on.
I know, I've not used these before. I'm really excited about this.
And you can sleep in them as well, which can be quite scary when you're with all your friends because you all look a little bit terrifying. However, the benefits when you take these off, you're going to be glowing.
Glowing from dusk till dawn. I think though, I probably wouldn't sleep in it. I would watch a film or do all of my pamper evening things with it on because I sleep flat on my face.
Do you?
Yeah. Have you ever slept in one?
Yeah. And I love it. When I peel it off in the morning, it feels like you're shedding.
Oh, lovely.
It is lovely.
Okay, I might try that then.
Yeah, I will. If you end up falling asleep on your face, I'll just...
Yeah, just nudge me.
Just nudge you.
Okay, cool.
Exciting. Well, that's my hamper complete.
These are both really good and really balanced, I think. We've got loads of really affordable bits in each one, and then we've got something a little bit more of a treat.
And it's a nice balance between skincare, beauty, hair care, food.
Fragrance.
What more?
What more could you want?
What more could you want?
Cheers. Clink.
These are adorable. I cannot wait to unbox them and use them for our Valentine's evening.
So cute. I can't wait. Right, our hampers are done. Are you ready to swap?
I am ready to swap,
Okay.
even though I have seen what you've put in.
Okay, let's pretend that you haven't.
I can't wait to have a rummage.
What?
Beautiful.
Lovely. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome, and I cannot wait to spend Valentine's this evening with you. What is on our agenda?
I know. Well, by the looks of this basket, we'll be having some snacks. We'll be doing our nails.
Yep.
We'll be clipping our hair up, ready to put our face masks on.
Yeah.
I'm really excited about these. And then I can be doing my hair with this one. And then if we do drinks later on, we could do some eyelashes.
Lovely.
And then at the end of the night, when we're getting unready, we've got some lovely Bath and Body and a sleep mask. Talk me through yours.
I'm ready. So I am gonna have the most hydrated lips there possibly is. I've got 3 things to choose one, which I can use one at the start of the night, one overnight, and one just during whenever I want to, which is perfect. Next, fragrance.
Yeah.
I'm gonna smell like the chocolate that we're gonna eat later.
Yeah, you
And
are.
I can't wait. This smells lovely, as I think you've seen us smell it. Like, it is unreal, so I cannot wait to use that. Update my nails with some new red ones, so perfect going into Valentine's.
We could do them together.
We can. My snack of the evening after we've probably eaten our body weight in pizza.
Yeah.
Balance. And then we are going into our face masks.
We could watch The Notebook while doing our face mask.
We can watch The Notebook, however, I will cry, so I don't know if these are waterproof, so
We'll
can
put
let
it to
you
the
know.
test. Let's do a test.
And then finally, to pop inside my handbag for my, if we do go out for drinks, my One Size waterproof setting spray, which I'm so excited to try. This is probably my favourite one because I love a mini as well. I think they're so cute. So I know you're getting married on Valentine's Day, but this is my big day, Galentine's.
This is your big day. Let's go.
I can't wait. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe to see more content like this and have the best Galentine's.